Holiday shopping doesn't have to be stressful. For anyone that needs a last-minute gift certificate, here we go. Go to purelyyouspa.com.
And then you get to choose what you would like to do. You can design exactly what you want. You can email it, you can print it, or if you're giving the gift in 4 to 7 days, you can always do the mail delivery. You can choose the amount, and that is whatever you would like. And then you can choose your design. So I'll go ahead and I'll just say this. I'll go here, and then who am I sending it to? Let's say
right here you type in the special details, you write a custom message, and then you can preview and see exactly how it looks. If for some reason you want to modify the image or the amount, you're welcome to do that before you complete the purchase. Click continue, enter your credit card details, your address, and then voila, you're done. It's so easy.